Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Guests in Islam. Do not overstay your visit. One day, the Prophet invited many of the believers to his home. The people loved looking at the Prophet, listening to him, and being around him. On this particular day, people were coming and going from the Prophet's home throughout the day until the evening. Since there were so many guests, each group sat in a different room and enjoyed a delicious meal. Once the group would leave, the Prophet would clean the room. However, when he reached the last room, he saw that the group of visitors had already finished eating, but they still stayed and chatted for a long time. The Prophet always liked to use this time wisely, but he did not have the heart to ask the visitors to leave. Out of his kindness and respect for them, he stayed quiet. Just then, Allah sent down a verse of the Quran to teach people about the manners of visiting. When you finish your meal, leave soon after, and don't settle down to chat. Later, the people understood that they should be more careful about staying over for too long without a good reason.
فادخلوا فإذا طعمتم فانتشروا ولا مستأنسين لحديث.
Once you have finished your meal, leave soon after and do not lengthen your conversation.
It is not good for the guest to become a burden on the host.